want to talk about the test a little bit, and then we'll use the rest of this class as a work period to start your preparation for the test. So there's no homework for next class, just study for the test. The reading is for the class after the test. So this is for read section 3.1, part of 3.1 for Monday. You can read up through the linearity principle, and then you can stop. So study for test number 1 for next class. And test number 1 is going to cover, I just write that down, so let's just get syllabus. It's going to cover all of chapters 1 and 2 that we talked about in class. We did skip 2.5, that we didn't cover 2.5 explicitly, so you won't be tested on that. You have a study guide at the end of your packet that we've been working out of. So there's a list of vocabulary, then there's a list of things you should be able to do. Resources for the test, you can bring a one-page reference sheet front and back with you. You can use whatever graphing calculator you have available to you, as long as it's not like connected to the internet. There are review problems in the text, like look at the chapter 1 review and the chapter 2 review. I put the solutions to those things on Moodle. And then there's some sample test questions, and also look at your old quizzes.
Old quizzes as and look at them before the test, or you can bring them with us.
Study them before the test. Yeah.
Okay, that's not very good. It says we can bring a reference sheet, a calculator, and then...
Yes, yeah, that should be to study. Study the old quizzes, don't bring them with you.
Too bad I had.
All right, and then you have some sample test questions. I think that if you work through the sample test, jot anything down that you don't know how to do on your cheat sheet as you're working through the sample test. You should be good for the test. So definitely study the sample test, the quizzes, and the class notes and the homework, and you'll be good. But the sample test is pretty representative. All right, so we're gonna spend this class you can work on preparing for the exam, however works best for you. If you need to be somewhere quieter, you can leave and go somewhere quieter, but I will be here to answer questions for class.